Have you ever felt like your arms are just stuck at the same size no matter how hard you train? You push yourself, set new goals, but the tape measure barely moves. You're not alone. Most guys put in the effort, day after day. But the truth is, they're working hard, not smart. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what you need to do for the next 30 days to finally see real arm growth. And see it fast. This isn't just another random workout you find online. It's a smart, proven system, designed to get results. And near the end, I'll reveal the one mistake that kills arm growth for most people. Here's a hint. You're probably doing it right now without even realizing. So stick around, let's fix it together. This isn't a do 100 curls and hope for the best type of video. It's a real structured plan, one that actually works. You'll get a step-by-step method to build bigger, stronger arms, and you'll see progress in just 30 days. You'll learn how often to train, what exercises to focus on, what mistakes to avoid, and how to track your gains every step of the way. Ready? Let's jump into it. If you want growth, you need frequency. Train arms twice a week. That gives you enough volume and enough recovery. Here's how to split it. On one day, focus on biceps. On another day, focus on triceps. Or combine both, twice a week, with 2 to 3 days between sessions. More isn't better. Smart volume wins. Train, recover, repeat. Start with big lifts. These compound movements build real size. They hit your arms, and everything else. Here are 3 to focus on. Close grip bench press for triceps, chin-ups for biceps, weighted dips for overall arm thickness. These exercises load your arms heavy, and that builds serious mass. Do these first in your workouts. Always. Now we hit curls and extensions, but not just any reps. We train with intent. Here's your bicep list. Incline dumbbell curls for stretch and peak, easy bar curls because they're joint-friendly and powerful, and hammer curls to build thickness and forearms. And for triceps, skull crushers to hit all 3 heads, rope pushdowns for great squeeze and control, and overhead dumbbell extensions to target the long head. Do 2 to 3 of these per session. Keep reps controlled. Focus on form, slow the movement, feel the burn. This is where most people mess up. They train to failure, every set, and that kills recovery. Instead, here's what to do. Stay 1 to 2 reps away from failure on most sets. Save failure for the last set of each exercise. That way you train hard, but not so hard you can't recover. Remember, failure is a tool, not a rule. Muscle growth only happens when you improve. That's called progressive overload. Every week, try to add a rep, add a small amount of weight, improve your form, or maybe even reduce your rest time. It all adds up. Seriously, you don't need to jump 20 pounds in 1 week, just get better. Slowly and steadily, track your sets, track your weight, and make progress your habit. Want to grow even faster? Use these tips. Eat in a calorie surplus. Get at least 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight. Sleep 7 to 9 hours per night. Use stretch and squeeze techniques. Try drop sets and slow negatives on your final sets. These small changes create big gains, so use them wisely. That's it, a simple 30-day plan to build bigger arms. Train twice a week, use compound lifts, add smart isolation, avoid overtraining. Track everything. Do this, and your arms will grow. Now it's your turn. If this video helped, hit like. Subscribe to Whole Life Health and Fitness for more no-fluff guides that get results. Question of the day. What's the one arm exercise you feel the most? The one that just hits the muscle, right? Drop it in the comments. Let's see what's working for you. And if you've got a tip or a challenge, share that too. We read every comment. Let's grow together.